My name is Monica Simmons.
And we're the Double Stitch Twins. Welcome to our Double Stitch Twins YouTube page.
Be sure to hit like and subscribe if you want to see more Double Stitch Twins videos.
Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's do a quick poll.
Okay.
Do you think you'll be interested in duplicating this pattern? This is an African-inspired neck piece that was created by Monica.
I love it. I love it. We do not have a written pattern for this piece, so we'll be doing step-by-step tutorial.
Yes.
It's pretty much a bunch of chains. All you need to know how to do is chains and half double crochet.
Okay. And we can even show how to do that. So if you think you may be interested in this and other designs that we have done, then be sure to click subscribe and also make a comment. Let us know, because we want to count it up to see how many people think they may be interested in some video tutorials by the Double Stitch Twins.
Yeah.
And always remember to do what you love
and share what you do. Thanks for joining, guys.